Papa, me ma akwa enumere.
Eyo so sofo.
Me pa cho empomu ye de.
Adom no abroso.
Ye da Ewurade ase se.
Ewurade ka kire Paul say medom adolso ma. My grace is sufficient for you.
Aso for de woni o mo kasa na o mo quotation ama o se de be ya o be mu se nyame asem wo mu. Papa enumere me bisa o din a ahwefo hwewa wo mo betumi e de afro na wa me yo.
Oh, me de so for dankwa na.
So for dankwa.
Be house of from so for no for kwa me dankwa.
Me nya sure se be ho bia se o be flow so for.
Oh, mu se yo nkrofo bi wo wa ofre obi so for na ya na ha na ya ne ya.
Je du be bi kra bi twa so fa so.
No do o so won kona so na wonya na so mu so for no. They find it difficult to address you as a man of God. But if you be so for no so kan ni beje pa.
No kwase.
Nti me tin de kwa me dankwa. Nti me fa ma so fu de ni hunamuro.
Okay, Papa, me bisa asafo a wo mo ye be tumi
e ma sore no asore nya me fa me so e de be dua Ghana ha ani wiase da bia no e presenter for all nations.
Wo
ye won sawom na sore ne shaase. Nti ye be ye kase te se den kora wa na headquarters no wo ye fi won kwa akra e wa se be bia chichira bo na wa ne sane no. Nya me ado 4 years ni asafo no by but wa my branch ba kwa ka nti it tells say nyame ne ye wo
asafo ne ko edi mo nisa. Okay, enumere asemo e de kire ye president enkomo a wo de beto national television so nanu ya ekoya se efiri ochine koya wo ma aban enkrofo wo mo hwen enyina nkania so atiesi ekurom na wo matwitwa nkania mu so ye nya ntie president na me atiase se wo de nkania no e ma ye free for 3 months COVID-19 say so COVID in court then na fe de otwitwa nkania mu nti papa
sofo mame na wase na minchia ya hefo ni adofo no nyina wani agibre hwe bi my network your programs nyina ba bia mo bia wo wiase afa na ba bia echia wo ade Ewurade asomdue ade ma wo ba bia mo bia na ye best say on saka videos na ye mo share no mo like na on comment emfa mai afi so on subscribe na ma abusuaku no embe kase ni ntimi ensom osom papa na mesia da wasibiem emse asam na aba no akwese kwese na ntatwene no ogba ni ma amane ogba jire so amane ba se ne tie bia no ye beka ya beye nyame enkrofo na ya beye akanifo ewe society no mo na ya beye Ghana fo edi asem bia efa Ghana ho asem bia ewo Ghana ha no ye wo ho kwan se yen so ye kire ya adwene na ye kire ya adwamen no enkrofo mfe no tag yen say we are doing politics or we are being political. No, we are Ghanaians and we are citizens of Ghana. So whatever that concerns the nation, we have every right, because one way or the other, you have opinion leaders. Okay. So what I say, since I'm a of we are me WhatsApp, I'm a dano, and I'm here coffee by no, my opinion leader. The community ne mu ye benefo wa ye from yakamo because me da dom ano. Anya kwa me nipa be 50 egumase. For me to be a head over 50 people, no, me wo kwasa be kira ma atwen. So what I say. Na da bia ya me ka, na ya na nkrofo entimase yi. Me say a time is coming up. Ya ntoa ba bi. So what I say. Sa December 7 ni be tunu e bia ni pe be kwa sala so mo toa ba ni be ni pa 7, ni pa 10, ni pa 15 pe.
Papa,
oh yes, I am saying it. I've said it already and I am saying it today and I'll keep on saying it until that day happens. Because politicians are what Ghana and Africa, they actually a diagram. Almost a 7 to 7 previous, I will free for and China Ghana ni will free no and China Africa for you will free home. Africa year and ye na Africa qua and qua can you know a kind of they are so wicked and they are greedy. Yet different depthful any person coming up for almost come on my and just look at COVID by and I'm more lock it down. Ya lock it down, ya tears here, ya jatu. What did she say about you? Go so ye did she say so. Oh, it's a lockdown into a minimum quadruma, a minimum tini yajuma, because a minimum jumani open places are a bank of for a bar, a bama yariana etinia spread them more. Yadia can say ya passe yampa. besi na ye hu yare ne poma sibre ene kura me no ka se ye ntin nka bi awo nisum se ko se nko yo se den yo ye nim eduro ya mokofa ba ye hu se efa be nku se fa nfa ye hu se wa de ase enti yare ne pa ye wa lock down wo lock down and also be father and a good father enti na boso me miensa a edam animo no me mam kane free me mam nsuo free we amagana ni bia na adwene mo to na onim te no ehuru se nyema bi wo ha nka ye yire ye ho ye betinye nya free ya ma na ye yie
papa me pacho mi twa no sa amosome miensa o sensie ya ye president de che ye sanso nya ne ntie se na no ya wo ka se omo be di ehon tax no mo di atua ka no wa bra president na ka se ka
that is why I am telling you say politicians no omo we ya adwene ehunu. So they always play with our mind. They be omo de ya adwene ni yenyansa edi agro. Na omo yankrofobia ye be kan ho. Okasi se o si no. Okasi go say I won't go. Do it o say I won't do it. Omo nyasa ankrofo to retaliate their words. They will think twice. Okay. Sorry I say. They will think twice. Mo de ya adwene di agro. Se we see omo twa lighting. Ye twa lighting. Ye musa say one lucky pubs, one lucky beaches. While working nightclubs, there are so many people like almost juma say into onye juma no tifie na wo wu mie lockdown onye den when you ska e dey like baby nyansa woman we nyansa nti ase woman e we
and also a big problem
so they say ye wa ha de yare adada ye mo de yare ehunamura ye mo de yare akankrofo shebre de ashedem mo de yare we akankrofo ni ji e de ashedem yare say yampa from day one make my year be sine simply because yare ne baye na yenya dro no ebiti obi amasema quarantine so ma quarantine o shedem wa onu madro bia ba de o amase no mato no so where is the truth?
Okay.
Yare baye edro no aba musema yenya dro yanwo yewo but still no smart katakata yehwe nti no kure won way o mon kan no kure nti bibi bakura na serious am I enti mi fa serious
papa mi ntwa no on say COVID-19 year mu no o mo ma ye jeje to ankofo e donate ska be
yes COVID-19 transfer where is the money where is the money o mo mra no mo me account sa transfer no mo dey bi no mo dey $100,000 ko gum ne 10,000 Ghana cedis nya dey ko gum no o mo fa sika no o mo me ye account na anya hwe process can bet me say next month next 3 months light bill next 3 months water bill and the Ghanaians I am on jay ho o mo pe voter normal perform to the least point select say be be no mo do and it ma dia money akoto abamo ye tintim wie no mo nya nkudumge ni wia no mo de yes o mo say sisi ye no say enya krofo na jan kankra kasa ankame kankra kasa
we dey menka
ankame kankra kasa
we dey mesro arefo nti eni mpemfo nti menka
asu tan so ni wia na so dan ko den temati kopo o mo hia vote ni dia they talk with sweet words sugar coated words no mo kansa mo e ba me nya hunu o mo ba ni nya wodo bi dia mam ye to something tina wiem na wi asisi ye na to aba ni wi dia mo say aha ye kwa ho
papa say aye kwa and say me sure say and I'm so years of pain
it's time for each and every Ghanaian say ye be ma ye ni ayedin ya sin suo taya ponchina nya oje wo and now pam hu for so wo to ni be ma politicians there was you prove it to me say omo nye mema ensre no mo nim nyansa ensre me so obi ti dem obi ti akura bi ase nyansa ni adwene nyankopon de atom no onim nyansa na adwene mu do as a politician bi why
papa me ntwa no based on the ecoso sesia light bill a ye ba betwetwa mu a sikenti ni ye betwam yo ene the president ka se watria ene COVID-19 trust fund a ye je ye no ye nya sure say me sika bi a wo mo
dia president no de na no ne tua wentia no faculty kwa bi so aba be ji e dey free yo na president odi wi odi counterfeit agoto wi
okay
if they went to the nano into a faculty so means almost they play with our minds. They are politicians. Okay. They are politicians and your politicians.
Okay.
Only a tricksters.
Okay.
Don't read this system now. No, my be a favor on my politician. Ni be a new Ghana how or get Ghana. But apart from say beer, yeah, papa, I compare Kwame Kennedy Japan. ono na okasa uhunu wali kasa mu se asa o watima kakra de magana but anokura mpo no who knows e bia na political talks
because ebi no see school dan ebi no tutu nsuo ni ade e de ma amani motefo enti wo kasa omo nwene ye ho yi na
if you have been able I a free SHS free now there are some certain things for why you get as Ghanaians with the mineral resources and then you may you bet me free.
Okay. Papa nyame show answer the baby to media no ma me bisa asem way a trust fund that it buy you know a one calculation near the ade no
me say
for be pocket scanner na
me say some person e ji omudia sa COVID-19 trust fund almost setting up no omo mna me ye mo akonta fa nkire Ghana for say 50 last year March na COVID ni buy a setting sa trust fund no besi ene dey no sika say ena ba be good trust fund ya yi say e dey abobere say and ye dey we so aye say ena aka say na ne aka no omo di tua electricity bill ni bi na be ye omo fa ntua na so ntin kofom say water bill omo di be tua me so ate akofom omo fa ntua now we are all Ghanaians ni pe bi o di sika to trust fund ni mo no e Ghana ni na o ye de ma Ghanaians wanya fa ma kufado and wanya fa ma mahama and then ba umiadia it's not for them it's for Ghanaians they must allow us to enjoy the national cake. What is the meaning of that?
Not just a papa see a bad electricity bill once and so and can see that walk around to me about Ghana for
Mrs. Someone to Ghana Breya and your management and they have Ghanaians and Africa for leadership and management. You're a good leader. Our managerial skills are obeying your managing economy. No, I'm a near my general nice. And look at the booth, a booth for something about the same woman. Once I start here, doom so, and this is the time so always have a lighting. So I get Jinasu 24/7 and then when they pray, and then you Africa, and now who baby travel lighting, and I'm a mobile popo. No, but we'll make a way. I'm going to come in there soon.
Okay,
I'm going to come in there soon. And now go Kumasia, you do light rough. Who got some places in Ghana, you do like to offer Nina Chubaka, when you are to make your betting Muskava Goody. I am waiting for them in my house, let them come. Or you'll be Mrasa with like move your basically the mission we can say a woman, Yakusi woman, human, yes, I watch you woman, libel. Sudden I make us all Yabada. Who yes, and I open to be like being. Now what left the banner that will be a Jumasu, quite Jumana, Juma, Jessica Fabra. We just got the best year when you get your water, when you get your library. Now, maybe quite to man, I can answer what comes in and I'll pull my ass in Chadier. Now, NPP government and as a government, I would have banned a young Magana. Yeah, we some politicians and so on one child be MP's minister, one child be Omontia. Young Muslims are one child be okay. Meaning our government in the tier MP. And ministers, most of them are buying a first bill, now buy far one year. Only Yanoma tell you, car service, car service crowd, are buying the chair. You chair to a garden point of a house where for you, I buy the chairs I can eat. Or back for your minister, say MP. No, a Jehala was so I said, Jehan was not ordinary Ghanaian, no, from the committee, or Yarukra who's got better paracetamol, Granite. And then, you know, say, at the end of politicians, no more Yamaka, Frontier, and was somebody your bomb can be the best. Don't you for free? You for free, Papa. Sometimes I am in past studios, I am in person, discussions, the fact. And the politicians in the paper because I am a wolf. Say, oh, my brother, time. Oh, you're wicked. Oh, my, the politicians are wicked. Oh, my, they are suppressing Ghanaians. I'm we are living in our own country, but I come here and say, send Egypt to first share Israel for Sana Ghana for Yabra. What is it say? Papa, Nyanko ya Dumoa, a free watching a corner in Kania, one person who you know. And once I'm Kaya, maybe me bill, me fear, bill, a cow, but me need to be babas with them. Well, sure. Men are coming to what do I am at it? Oh, Miss So I am at it. Okay. We are many plenty mean new. They say, or be money if you also be traveling and mean new. Let them come and they'll come and meet me there. Oh, okay.
eti say Ghana say na yamemwo ekwa ekamia say man ni mu nipa ene mpanimfo ewo mu no say wo mu si toto amamwo no efa si mo wodi wasemo belwe
oh me born it up and I'm the kankan me be kasa me catch say there is going to be a time obi a bia wa Jesus koto baby o de yema ye ho 10 years from now
okay papa me ye
vote turn out no e beti akofom
ye bre nti we de be do besia arefo ye da mo say moni anyina bo mu na ye bobo dwumadie mu say de ye papa aka Reverend Kwame Dankwa Ediye asemo a wode ato dwa no se bere bi beba vote turn out no ebe kofom wonso adwen kire ne say koso a ne redwumadie na woni anyina emmom and discuss niema ebepie na yenka ho asem na de ebenya pa ne se wo be subscribe na wo be share na wo di bi be ma wadamfo no wadamfo bi dia di bia ma na damfo na yenyina ya bobo ho ebedu ba bi no Ghana ebe sanso ayeye me ma mo ni hwe ba bia wo bia Awurade nhyira